Hello. We will examine the water cycle here on Mr. Rorke's classroom.
Water, water everywhere, but not a whole lot of it to drink. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface, but fresh water only makes up 3.5% of that water. Water is found in many places on Earth, in liquid form in oceans, rivers, and lakes, in solid form in glaciers, and in gaseous form in the atmosphere. Water can also be found in plants, in soil, in animals, and out of animals. Water never stays in one place for very long. The molecules are constantly moving from place to place and changing forms as it travels along the water cycle. There are 5 phases or steps in the water cycle. Those steps are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and transpiration. An easy way to remember that is ECPIT, or every child probably irritates teachers.
Evaporation is where water turns from a liquid to a gas in the form of water vapor and goes into the atmosphere. This water comes from oceans, lakes, and rivers, but also from the sweat on your skin.
Condensation happens when the water vapor cools down in the atmosphere. It loses energy and changes from a water vapor into liquid water droplets and form clouds. Precipitation occurs when the water droplets in the clouds get large and heavy enough and gravity pulls them towards the earth in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Infiltration is where the water that falls on the earth seeps into the ground. From here it can be soaked in by plant roots to water the plants, or it can seep into underground water reserves. This groundwater can then form springs, oases, or wetlands. Groundwater can also be stored in underground aquifers. Hey, what's an aquifer? I don't know. What's an aquifer? Well, aqua is for drinking. Transpiration occurs when plants release excess water through their leaves in the form of water vapor. This water vapor returns to the atmosphere. As we can see, water is constantly moving around, changing forms in a non-stop cycle on, below, and above the surface of the Earth. The amount of water stays fairly stable over time, but where that water is stored varies from moment to moment. This has been Mr. Rorke's Classroom. Thanks for stopping by. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe for more classroom lessons.